And now, your weather authority.
All right.
It's foggy.
Hands on the hips, not happy
Yeah,
because it's foggy.
Hands on the hip. I'm trying to remember that song from when we were little, but yeah, I'm just
Oh,
going to go with Rain, Rain, Go Away. That fits. We haven't even got to the rain yet, but it's coming. It's on the way. Like I mentioned, here is the fog. This is the Hancock Whitney Tower camera overlooking the port of Gulfport. And right now it appears that visibility has taken a dip and a dive. You go further towards the south out into the Gulf, only going to find even poorer visibility out there at the moment. We have quite a bit of weather to get through, so we'll zoom through your feature track on visibility, and you'll see over the next 12 or 15 hours we're going to see visibility pretty poor here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, but that's not the main focus across the area. As of now, we're seeing the radar crisp and clean, but into the next couple of days we're going to see things start to progress in a more rainy and also a more stormy direction. This is the closer viewpoint of the Mississippi Power Doppler. Just a little bit of shower activity out towards Bogalusa. But if you spread it out a little bit wider and take a look towards the north and west, showers and thunderstorms have been developing over the past few hours and will continue to develop and move towards our area courtesy of a cold front. But another direction I want to draw your eyes to, we'll get to in a moment. Firstly, look at the temperatures across the Mississippi Gulf Coast into the lower 70s. A little bit warmer the further north you go in our viewing area, but regardless, everybody's pretty much in that same temperature range, the low to mid 70s. The direction I was referring to just moments ago is the wind. Notice how it's coming out of the southeast and pretty quickly, 15 and 16 miles an hour apiece in Gulfport and Biloxi. The reason this is pertinent is because of the directional pattern that's coming in towards the Mississippi Gulf Coast is bringing a lot of warm, humid, and moist air up over our area. And that warm and humid, moist air is going to act to increase the potential for some rainfall later on this evening. But not only rainfall, we're going to have that moisture and humidity stack up here on the Mississippi Gulf Coast, but then you add in this cold front that's going to drop down and through the area. Then you have not only your ingredients for thunderstorm development, but what you need for thunderstorms to develop on the severe scale. We call it SLIM, shear, lift, instability, and moisture. We have the moisture coming out of the Gulf of Mexico, and then we have the instability, which you'll see later on in the show. And then now we have this cold front coming down with that lift. So you have all the pieces for maybe some severe storms to develop. Continuing on into the later half of the week and into the weekend, we'll see those wind speeds continue out of the south-southeast, but your 7-day forecast looks like this. You have rainfall for the next couple days and more comfortable next week. So
all right,
we'll take it.
I guess we'll take it. I guess we have to take it.
Yeah, we don't have a choice.
We don't have a choice. All right, we'll be right back after this quick break. Stay with us.